नई डेक लेके आ चुका हूँ सीजन 16 टूर्नामेंट के लिए। 18 आई थिंक 18 है ना सीजन, या 18 है। तो जो भी हो, एक नई डेक लेके आ चुके हैं, काफी ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग और प्रिटी डिसेंट डेक बोलते हैं उसे। We have a graveyard as a surprise rack. We have Prince and the Dark Prince as the best synergy. We have Hunter to counter the air. We have Zappies to counter the balloon. There are a lot of balloon, log, and so many. We have poison because there are a lot of swarming like Spear Goblins, Magic Archer, Musketeer. There are a lot. We have Barbarian Bearer. Barbarian Bearer can counter Gobby Bearer and so many things. We have a Snowball. Let's go and let's test what we can do. Let's go. It's it. He's in. He doomed. He have nothing. Let's do a Barbarian Bearer. Sign him that I'm be the best. Barbarian gets 2 swings. Easy. He do nothing. He is wasting her elixir. Ridiculous. We're going to do a snowball on the top. What he do is nothing. He's offline or he doomed. I'm going to wait. Let's put the Dark Prince in the very back. Don't rush on the other side. We have a prince in the starter. Starter, not starter. Yeah. What are you doing, man? He have nothing. I'm rushed. Take it out, 3 round victory. He is so doomed because he has nothing to counter this push. And we won. Easy peasy lemon. Orange. That's fine. We are 1-0 undefeated right now. We got some things that we need. That's fine. That's ridiculous. We got 10 gems if you second. This deck is good, but we are going to play first duel or surrender. Surrender barrel is good, but so much frustrating. So I'm not going to play the surrender. Normal player 1v1 or duel. Triple elixir is good, but you need a high quality best deck. Not a single deck can take it out. That's not real good. 10 versus 11. Let's see what we can do. Okay. He doomed. Can kill him. Oh. He has Russia. We Russia with the Royal Ghost in the very back. So the archers died. Oh, okay. The P.E.K.K.A. That ridiculous P.E.K.K.A. That P.E.K.K.A. is pretty dangerous. I'm going to put a Knight in the very back of a wizard. If you don't have a wizard, I'm going to do what we have to do. We need a... no, I need to clone it. Well, that's fine. Everybody dies. Oh, yeah, Furnace. But the magical... Oh, but the... Ice Wizard counter gets no hits. Oh, I said no hits. Ice Wizard gets 1 hit. That's fine. That's pretty fine. My tower can take it out. Yeah, I know. Let's put the witch in the... No. We don't need to rush right now because... Oh, okay. No, we need to rush. We have a wizard in rotation. I have no spell. Only a spell as a clone. But that's ridiculous. Let's go with some hawks. The Knight not can take it out. I know. So we are going to play some Electro Dragon. Okay. Other one archer. Freaking goodness. Archer. He's rushing. Why, bro? Why are you rushing at me? I'm not doing it. You're going to do. Let's go. The red push is now wise. Don't touch my ice wizard. Don't touch my this. I'm going to be penetrated, buddy. Clowner! That's a big cheese. There were enemy. That Pekka almost died. That Pekka almost died. We need to rush. Oh, another Pekka? Well, we are fine. We need some wit. We need some wit. We need some wit. Oh. No. Electro Dragon, you need to ally. This is a big push and a big cheesy come. We need another Electro Dragon right now. Yo, it's pretty good in the everything. Okay. Electro Dragon. Electro Dragon. Okay. Yeah, a wizard going on. So I need to wait. I need a giant Skelly. Skelly right now. We have 2 furnace. What the madman? Let's take it out. No hits. Yeah, no hits. Wizard can take it out. We need a Royal Ghost. We have a Pekka right now. We have enough elixir? No, he don't have. Now he don't have enough elixir. We need Electro Dragon. Okay, level 10 Pekka. I am not cheesed by you. I'm going to come here. Pekka, come here. Yeah, Pekka. Those archers. I need. Okay. We need Royal Ghost. Oh no, Pekka gets no hits. Oh, it connects. What the fuck? I'm doomed. He have Pekka. Ooh, that's ridiculous. We need a Doctrine deck. Doctrine deck is the best deck that I use. Because we have Pekka, we have Dark Prince, we have Magikarp, we have Fisherman, we have Wizard. You need. He's rushing with the Golem. We have nothing. We have a Magikarp also going on here. Spare Gobbies, your time is done, buddy. Pekka. Yeah, Pekka deal a lot of damage. I have a Fisherman, 2 kiss Golem. This is 400 damage and take it out of this tower. We are fine. We need a Fisherman. Fisherman hooks the Golem. I misplayed, I think. No, I don't misplay. I'm the best player in the world. Not about the OGN. I really think it's Ram Raider connect. Ram Raider gets 1 charge. Fisherman hooks. Fisherman. Hook it. That's your boy. Don't trust Golem until the double elixir happens. This was not a good sign if you're going to. That's connection is pretty decent. Oh. Okay. That executioner died. No worry. Hunter isn't supporting. Dark Prince connected. Oh man. Hunter deal massive damage. Okay. Now we need a Pekka immediately to take it out of this. Fisherman. Oh, we need Fisherman. Fisherman, hook this. Came to my way. Oh, that Pekka. I'm sad for this Pekka right now. But we have a Wizard. He missed our snowball. He can snowball my Wizard already, but he can't. Let's go. We need 2 crowns. We need 2 crowns right now. Nothing to worry. That bandit is going to tease me. I have nothing. Pekka connected. That's 1 is. He's panicking. We need a Ram Raider. We need 3 crown victory. Ram Raider, take it out. Ram Raider deals 1 damage. And we won the victory. We need a Prince deck or a Spirit deck. I'm going with the Prince deck. Prince deck is not good, but we are fine. We have Baby Dragon, Bats, Lumberjack, and Graveyard. He rushes with the Mega Minion. Has the function bats to take it out. Oh! Let's do a Royal Giant. Don't die. Don't die. Take it out there, Mega Minion. Take it out. Take it out. Bats, take it out there, Mega Minion. Yeah, we're fine. We're fine. The Lava Hound not do a great damage. We need a Lumberjack to pull the Inferno Dragon. Otherwise, you can take it on my tower. Lumberjack connects. I can do Graveyard, but don't touch the Graveyard until the double elixir happen. Otherwise, you are going to be doomed. Wait for the elixir. Oh, he rushes. Oh, wait. Let's do a princess in the very back. He tried to bait. Oh man. We need a baby dragon. We need a baby happy dragon. Don't go. No, Princess Tower, don't it. Freeze everything. And do some bats to take it out there. Balloon and deal massive damage to their Inferno Dragon. Inferno Dragon, don't touch my tower. That's a one hit. Fine. Yeah, totally fine. Now he has nothing to counter my garbage Royal Giant. Let's go. Oh, comes to. Oh, a minion? Oh, that's so my thought achieved. Yeah, no. Oh, you princess? Oh, that I'm going to retrieve that. Oh, I don't show him my prince. And no graveyard. He has known that I have freeze fire. Oh, connect. Super Shell. Connect. Okay, let's do a Lumberjack. Here where goes, I know. Take it out the Thunderstone. Take it out. This guy is rushing. Freeze spell. Oh. That's fine. Now the balloon gets no hits. Balloon. Okay, balloon gets one hit. Take it out. I don't need. Oh man. Jeez. Oh, he have a lot of air and a lot of swarming. Then I have baby dragon, princess, and bats, and nothing for the year. Okay, we are fine. Yeah, so we are 1-0 undefeated. Ooh. Can we go? Can I? Giant living chest, I think. Let's go with this deck again. We are 1-0. 8 player again. What are you doing? Oh. Give a snowball. Nothing can hit my tower. If I don't have like snowball. So now man, we have Zappies. We can take it out, Prince. Zappies, do your work. Ooh, I need to take it out the Dark Prince, otherwise the Prince almost charged and take it out. We have we have poison. Oh, the Dark Prince almost connects. What the fuck? And Zappy, that poison did a lot of mess. Oh, a giant? What are you mad, man? Level 7 giant in the deck? What are you doing? If you don't have cards, so pick your every single high card. There you have. Ooh. This guy rushing. We need some giant snowball. The hunter, take it out. Okay, well I'm cheese, but that's okay. Double elixir come. Now we have a prince with the hunter. Oh, is that it? Yes, that already. Ooh, Hunter alive. Hunter deal massive damage and take it out the tower. We are ridiculous. Nobody can beat it, Zack. It's pretty hard to counter Zack. Nobody can hit him pretty. I think maybe he left it. Yeah, I think he left it. Now the double elixir happens. I'm going to do graveyard. Take it out his tower. He can do nothing. Ooh. We are 2-0 undefeated. And we got 10 gems. Now we have 50 gems. 2-0. I'm going to share this deck to my clanmates so he can do like 12 wins and be fine. What we need in the common? We don't need Zappy, we need Zappies. I don't need this. My minion out? Nah. My best friend need minion out, but I don't. If you want to join, search the clan list and you can go with Clan Strong. This is the symbol, this is the name, and on the 7th, oh what? I am not pushing. On the 31 you can find a legendary, okay? Nothing to worry. The best deck for tournament. I think tournament is right. Yeah. Season 18 global tournament. Ooh. 19-0? Fine. What is deck? I need to check. Oh, this is Tesla deck. Tesla deck is good, but it's pretty risky. Because there are a lot of golems, a lot of giant, lot of elixir golems. You can't take it out. But this deck can counter every single deck. I have Mother Witcher log. I have the log. I have every single legendary that come. I have every single card that come Clash Royale in this year or every year with level 9 or above. Kali's 2-0. What is it? The P.E.K.K.A, the Royal Giant, the Prince, the Witch, the Inferno Tower. This is pretty high elixir deck. 5.1 elixir deck, and my deck is 3.8 elixir deck. We have Prince and Darkman. Both are pretty good scenarios. Let's go. Let's go with 3-0. Ooh, 9 player count. A lot of happy. I am going to show him exclusive emote. Oh, here, well. Give me that emote. If you have. Oh, we have. Show me that emote. Mega Knight. Oh, yeah, it's good now. These rushes. I'm going to do Hunter in the river back. So my tower helps the Hunter also. Oh, Electro Giant. The Zappy. Oh, there one Zappy. Not so good. Yeah, but the Zappy can take it out. Oh, there was so good. Poison. Oh, Zappy connects that side. Fine, the Magic Orchard. Zappies do like 100 damage. 100 damage, 1 eye. Okay, have Electro Giant, so I need to be continuous attack if I go. Have friends. Oh, here, Lumberjack. Okay. We need to wait. Oh, okay, a Mega Knight. I can't counter a Mega Knight. I have Zappies. So Zappies is a legendary card. The Barbarian can take it out. He will Electro Giant and a Mega Knight. What the matter, man? Let's do a Dark Prince. Oh, an Electro Wizard. Electricity. Level 7 again. Let's do. Oh, I'm going to die there. No. Now rush. That's Magic Orator. Is a big, great deal. Okay, he's rushed. Don't try to touch my Zappy. Don't try. Don't try. Let's go. Let's finish this guy. The both princes connect and with the dash. Nothing to worry. This is not easy to take it out this deck. This deck is pretty high expensive. Oh man. I need to take care of that executioner. There's Spear Garbage. Oh, I need to, no, Prince, you need to alive, man. What are you doing? Zappies. You know what I'm going to do. Oh. I don't dare. They're making it. It's so much bad. Let's do Snowball and we are fine. Oh, I can poison it. I'm not thinking. Yeah, poison, take it out. Oh. Their poison can take it out. He just rushes with his army and I am totally under pressure right now, but I deal it. Oh man. Like pretty hard to win this deck. But if you master it, you can win. What is the highest person? 24x? What are you using deck? I don't need. I'm the best. I cannot see the OJ right now. OJ clan? Pretty good. We have a lot of things going on. Now we got a lot of things. We have 4 epic tokens. Okay. Let's upgrade my prince. I don't need this. I don't need lightning. I'm going to sell it. I don't need 20 2.6 Hog Rider with so many things like really in 2.6 Hog Riders there are a musketeer, there are cannon, snowball, and there are a lot of things, but there only a bomb tower. Why he have wall breakers? Like it's pretty simple deck, but it's really hard if you get a Megi Knight and something you can counter not him or the P.E.K.K.A. P.E.K.K.A. Gives massive damage. But he have spirits, 3 spirits. He have bats to take it out. Pretty good deck. He have Cold 3-0. We are fine. तो चलो गाइस आज की वीडियो यहीं पर एंड करता हूं। मैं मिलता हूं आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। जब तक स्टे ऑसम एंड पीस आउट। और चैनल पर तो भाई सब्सक्राइब कर लेना और लाइक भी कर देना। मैं चला बाय। और 12 विराज पाटिल ने 1-0 कैसे किया? इट्स मरीमेर। pretty expensive deck. Like Megi Knight can counter by P.E.K.K.A. You have Inferno Dragon, Electro Wizard can counter it. Magic Orator can counter by Poison, Fireball. You see? You have Gabi Barrel as a spell. It didn't work because Barbarian Barrel, Log, Giant Snowball can counter it. We have Minion. Minion who can counter by arrows, poison, freeze. No, freeze not as good, but you can counter it. Fireball. It's Kermit. Kermit can counter by air units like Magic Orchard, Executioner, Dark Prince, Mega Knight. Prince can counter by Tombstone. A single Tombstone through Elixir can counter a Prince pretty well. So don't try. Blog is a spell I'm not going to be at some cheese. तो चलो गाइस आज वीडियो यहीं पर एंड करते हैं। मैं मिलता है आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। जब तक के लिए स्टे पीस आउट। और चैनल पर तो सब्सक्राइब कर लेना, लाइक भी कर। ऐसी धांसू और क्लैश रॉयल्स की डेक के लिए। बाय बाय।